Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching for the first time, thanks for tuning in. So today I'll be sharing with you how I baked my oven jerked butterfly chicken. And I'll also do a side dish of my homemade potato salad. So let's start. So now guys, I'm ready to make my famous sauce for my jerk chicken. I have some sugar, some allspice, and spices and seasoning. Scallion, onion, green pepper, my pimento, my thyme, and my ginger, my garlic, and my scotch bonnet pepper. So we're gonna pour everything. I'm gonna add some sugar, my spices, some pimento, a little bit of soy sauce, and a little bit of vinegar, about 1 tablespoon. So now we're gonna blend it. So I'll start by cleaning my chicken, and I'll be using about a tablespoon of vinegar. So make sure you clean inside the cavity of your chicken. So now that it's clean, I'm gonna place it on the breast. And I'm gonna cut it down the back, just to remove the backbone. So make sure you have a very sharp knife. This knife is not so sharp. So try to remove some excess fat. You don't need all that fat. So now this is my original jerk sauce. Just pull your skin down and make tiny incisions in the breast of your chicken, because you want to soak up all that sauce, so your chicken is full of flavor. And now I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some olive oil. All over my chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour all my good stuff. Make sure you pour everything out. You can go ahead and rinse it out. Now I'm going to start rubbing my chicken. So don't be afraid to massage your chicken. You need all this flavor to be all through this chicken. Smelling really good already. So now we're gonna cover it and allow it to marinate for about 1 hour. So now that my chicken has been marinated, I'm gonna get this chicken ready to put in my oven. So go ahead. I'm going to add some water to my baking tray. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it. So the reason for putting the water, you want the steam from the water to help to make the chicken more juicier. So I'm going to go ahead and drizzle a little olive oil so my chicken doesn't stick while it's being baked or jerked. gonna place it like this. I'm gonna add some extra paprika just to give it a little bit more color. I'm gonna take this just for extra spice. I'm gonna rub it all over my chicken. Just a piece of scotch bonnet pepper, just for extra flavor, extra spice. I like spicy. And I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some more olive oil. Turn it over. Make sure you do the same. Just paint it on. Dip some of the sauce. Pour a little bit of the sauce. And my oven is already preheated to 350, so I'm gonna go ahead and bake this for 1 hour or until it's nice and golden brown. So for my potato salad, I'll be using about 3 medium potatoes, some bell peppers, some scallion, string bean, carrots, parsley, some powdered seasoning, a little pinch of salt, margarine, mayo, and eggs. So I'll start now by boiling my water. Then I'll be adding my eggs. My seasoning. And I'm gonna let boil for about 5 minutes before I add the rest of my stuff. So now I'm gonna go ahead with the rest of my ingredients for my potato salad. So we're gonna save these for last, but the carrots I can put now because they take a little longer time to cook. So now my potatoes are ready and my egg is all hard boiled. I'll be taking them out to add to my potato salad. I'm going to go ahead and strain this off. So I'm going to go ahead and add all my rest of my ingredients, my bell peppers, my scallion and parsley, and my eggs. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our mayo, about 2 teaspoons, and some margarine. Go ahead and mix it. Make sure all the butter is melted. And this is my potato salad. I'm gonna go ahead with some paprika just for added color. And this is it. So this is it, guys, my oven jerked butterflied chicken and my beautiful potato salad. It's looking so good, guys. Nice and juicy and tender. So if you like my video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comment, and share. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.